Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another project. I'm Poor Man.
I'm Mrs. Portman, and today we finished installing the flooring on the stairs. Today we're going to show you how we install flooring on the stairs.
Okay, so if you can see behind us, you can see this ugly carpeting that we've had in this house, and this is the last of the carpeting that we have to install. We held this off to the end because one, it's probably going to be the most complicated part to install. But we also have been traveling up and down the stairs with dirty dirty shoes. And so we knew that we were going to be making a mess, so we just left it there. It's got paint and everything else that we just let drip all over it. So it's a mess, and it's time to get rid of it finally.
Ooh, goodbye old carpeting.
All right, with that, we're going to go ahead and rip up the carpeting and see if we can figure out how to put some flooring on the stairs. So let's take a look at what we did.
Just like our last video, Poor Man began by pulling off the carpet. Next, he removed the underlayment.
Great news! This time I managed to remove the tack strips without slamming my fingers once.
For the next stage of the project of the flooring, we're going to have to cut each plank for every step. The thing though is no wall and no step is going to be exactly the same. So you don't want to cut every step in advance assuming they're all going to be exactly the same with exact same angles, because some of the walls are going to be a little bit warped, others won't be. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a jig that I've seen on the internet. There were several people that did create similar things, and there's some that are that you can purchase through big box stores and Amazon and so forth. That'll help you to measure the exact width of the walls and the angles and so forth. So anyhow, this is what I threw together. I copied this from a gentleman's YouTube page that had a real simple idea of putting this together, and I can't find the page, so I'm really sorry. I wanted to give him credit for this one here. Well, if I can never find it, I'll put it in the description of the bottom of the page. But anyhow, it's a very simple device. It just simply has a wing nut that tightens and loosens, and so you can adjust this in any way. And once you get it onto the wall or the step exactly the way you want it, you tighten it up, you take it off, you put this on top of a plank that you're going to cut, and just draw the lines exactly at the perfect angles, cut it, and the plank should fit right onto that step. So we'll have to give this a try.
Adjust the jig to fit tightly between both walls.
Place the jig on the board and trace the edges. Then you need only to cut along the lines and we'll get a perfectly fit board.
Unlike installing boards on the rest of the house, we added adhesive to the boards first.
Don't forget to dance on the board. It is mandatory.
We finished the first step and we've installed the flooring onto the stairs. So now, the next step that we're going to do. Okay, we're now going to be we're going to use floorboards. We're going to be cutting them and putting them in an angle and cutting and following the stairs.
A little touch-up paint, a little filler, and some sanding.
Then we get to do some touch-up paint on the baseboards.
Don't forget to clean up the mess you made.
Yes, dear.
And repair all the scuffs caused during the baseboard installation.
One of the last steps is to cut and install quarter round.
He just wanted an excuse to use our Makita nail gun.
And now for the final cleanup.
Here's the final result, and being honest, we are extremely happy with how well this turned out. And there you have it, another project finished.
Next week we'll show you the renovations we've done in both our spare bedrooms.
And if you like our videos, please subscribe.
So until then,